Welcome to this channel. I'm Shadab Wazmi and I'll be your host in the Design and Tech Show. In this channel, we talk about everything related to design, technology, and all the latest and greatest tools out there by the biggest companies by Google, Microsoft, and Apple. I'm a Microsoft Learning Student Ambassador and a former DSC lead, a program by Google developers, and that's where I derive my inspiration to help and upskill people as much as possible. So that's exactly what I'm trying to do in this channel. I'll post tutorials, training videos, and hands-on workshops to help you truly upskill yourself by getting a practical education which is up to date and on the latest tools. So I truly hope that you hit the subscribe button and you make the commitment to join me on this journey to truly upskill yourself in style. And I'll see you every Friday because that's when I'll be posting my new videos. So I truly hope that I'll see you in the next one.